One of the things that we do is, like, we did a seminar a few months ago. We took all of the videos and transcripts of the seminar. We fed them into an AI, and we trained an AI engine to be a search engine for the seminar. And so you can, when you log into the members area, you can type in, tell me where is the story by Megan about having a baby, and it will say, oh, that's video number 5, 43 minutes and 17 seconds, and you can go in there and you can watch it immediately. I've put my entire body of work into an LLM, a private one, because I don't want Google or ChatGPT to have all my intellectual property. And it has made an enormous difference in my ability to write and ask questions.
So if you enjoyed this clip and you'd like to benefit from more monetization secrets, go and register now for Monetization Daily. You can go to monetizationresearch.com to get it. It is a free newsletter that is absolutely awesome. It is delivered to your email inbox, and it contains lots of great monetization tips, tactics, and strategies that you will love. Again, head on over to monetizationresearch.com to get it now.